Hello, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how I make Italian subs. I remember when I was like 8 years old, my dad took me to this butcher shop, and the guy sold Italian subs for lunch, made to order without any options. This is a fun dish that can be made quickly for a get-together. I used to put them together, wrap them in tin foil, and throw them in the oven to heat them up melted cheese. But I hate when the bread gets too crispy and tears up the roof of your mouth. My new way keeps the bread nice and soft. The oven's preheated to 325, so let's get going. Got a little cookie sheet here. It's covered with aluminum foil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stack the meat on it just to be about the same size. It can be a little bigger, that's okay, as the roll I'm going to use. This is like a small single serving, like get up in the middle of the night and you're hungry. So I'm going to start with my Genoa salami. My sandwich pepperoni, and my hot capicola, one of my favorite parts of this whole thing. I'm going to throw on a little onion, get some little onion rings right here. Top of the provolone cheese. Now this is going to go in the oven, 325. It's going to take about 10 to 12 minutes. I just want to get the cheese a little melted and then get the meat a little warm. So while it's in the oven, I'm going to get the roll ready. I'm going to slice it. I put a little tomato on. I like nice little beefsteak tomato. Some nice thin little slices here. Looks good to me. I got some roasted red peppers I'm going to throw on here. Quite a sandwich. I add a little splash of red wine vinegar. Just a little bit. I like to drizzle with a little olive oil. Okay, now we'll be ready as soon as the meat and cheese is ready. When the cheese is melted, it should look like this. I'm going to put it on the roll here. Toasty. Ooh, look at that cheese. So now I've got my little Italian for one, mainly me. Doesn't that look great? I would enjoy this with Italian Sangiovese grape that can be found in a single grape wine or blended in most of your Chianti Classico wines. Looks great. Enjoy.